What's up guys, it's me, John L. Today I will be doing a video. I'm going to be reviewing my slimes. The only slimes I have are, I only have 2 slimes so far. The other slime, I used to have 4 slimes, but I threw one away because it wouldn't stay together. And this is my first slime. It smells disgusting. It stretches well. If you guys can see, it's just stretch well a little bit. It can't swirl as well. I wouldn't swirl it as well if you want me to.
What it's made of.
It's made of borax, blue, and pink and blue mixed together, made of halfway purple. Then I got this pink fluffy slime, which is really cool to play with. If you guys can't see, it is fluffy slime. I made it with shaving foam, Equate shaving foam, and this is my favorite slime I ever made in my whole entire life. If you guys can't see, it will swirl perfectly. You can't see. Right here is the swirl. That is the swirl I can only make. I can make a better swirl, but it didn't stretch as well. It didn't stretch as well that time. But I will be making a gallon of slime upcoming soon, and I will be at my house sooner or later because we're going to pick up a dolly, I think.
Don't tell them
And I will see you guys in about half an hour. See ya.